Now we are going to associate, that is match the object with the place. Associate un objet et un lieu. So the object with its place. So first let us read the words. Du pain, des médicaments, des enveloppes, de l'argent, un éclair. So these are the 5 objects. We are going to associate them with the places they are found. Une pâtisserie, le bureau de poste, une banque, la boulangerie, une pharmacie. So now let us start with the first word, du pain. Du pain is bread. So in which of these places would that be available? It is la boulangerie. So the first one is la boulangerie. The next word is des médicaments. Des médicaments. So where would you find this? It is in the pharmacy. Une pharmacie. The next one, des enveloppes. That is very clear. You find it in the post office, le bureau de poste. The next one is de l'argent. De l'argent is money. To get money, you go to the bank. Une banque. And finally, un éclair, you get it in une pâtisserie. So now we have associated these words with the places where they are found. So the purpose of doing this is to improve your vocabulary. So these are the names of the places. Une pâtisserie, le bureau de poste, the post office, une banque, etc. So these are the names of the places, common names that we are going to use. So you need to know these words. By doing exercises of this sort, you will be familiar with these words and therefore your vocabulary will improve.